Okay, now looking at our Craftsman 6.25 horse lawnmower. And project for today is to figure out the model number so that I can replace the air filter, which is totally black. I don't think it's ever been replaced. And the spark plug, which is very much the same. Also planning this spring to replace the blade because it's in really bad shape. And I really don't know why it's so oily, because that's new. That's new oil. That's clean oil that I put in there last fall, and that kind of concerns me that there's some kind of leak. Alright. Neat. So, that's spring's project. Suppose we can see if it'd start. Problem with this lawnmower, which always happens with this lawnmower, is it has a primer. Okay? It takes somewhere in the area of 75 primes to make it run, no matter if it's cold or not. It's a royal pain, is what it is. So we'll give it a few primes and we'll see if it starts. With enough priming, you can choose easy peas.